Get excited, guys. I can see it coming. You will feel it after you take a bite because it's jerk chicken, right? It's oven jerk chicken. So let's get started. I wash my chicken with lime and salt and vinegar. Wash it thoroughly. Take a paper towel, pat dry it so I can get most of the water out. Then I'm going to use some salt to season my chicken here. You know the salt brings in that flavor, some Old Bay seasonings right up in here. I'm also going to be using some onion and garlic powder along with some dried thyme, and you can use any seasonings of your choice. I'm also going to be adding some chicken bouillon cubes that I did crush together along with some black pepper. And of course, we can't go without that Jamaican jerk seasoning. And check the description box below. All details will be listed there. So here I'm putting my Jamaican jerk seasoning, guys. Some freshly grated ginger, which is going to help to marinate the chicken well. And of course, some soy sauce, some casrip, some browning, whatever you want to use on yours. And that is going to help the chicken to be darker. And make sure you massage that seasoning well into the chicken. If you notice that I placed some slits onto my chicken, and that is to put the seasonings right up in there. Turn it over and make sure you get all the corners, even under the skin, and massage that seasoning well into the chicken. Most people who travel to the Caribbean, guys, always say that jerk chicken is the highlight of their trip. Whether it's in Jamaica or the Caribbean, it is a must. Once it's all done, I'm going to pop it into a bag and then into the refrigerator and let it sit there overnight. Yes, I love to marinate my chicken overnight. It's the next day, so I'm going to place it into my baking dish and then place it right into my 350 degrees oven to bake for 25 minutes. While that is doing its thing, I am going to start by making my barbecue sauce. Here I'm using some Hickory smoked barbecue sauce, and depends on the amount of chicken you're using, you can just average and make the sauce. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar into here. That is going to bring back a little bit of sweetness into this. Some Cajun seasonings, and also some more Jamaican jerk seasoning. I love mine spicy. At this time you can add some orange juice or some pineapple juice, but I'm going to leave my sauce very thick. I want it to be, you know, all soaked into my chicken. So 25 minutes after, you can see how charred my chicken starts to look, brown and nice. So you're going to use a thong and I'm going to flip them right over. Pop them back into the oven and let them bake again for another 20 minutes, and do not cover the chicken, all right? So after 20 minutes, this is what our chicken looks like. Really nice, guys. So what I'm going to do is place a generous amount of barbecue sauce right over the chicken pieces, just like this. And you can see from the barbecue sauce going onto it, it starts to change its color. It starts to look like it's good, but it's not fully done. So I'm going to flip it over and continue to baste it again. And just make sure you put a generous amount. Make sure it's thick and nice onto the chicken. Look at how beautiful these pieces are. And if you do what I do, guys, it's gonna come out perfect. Don't mind my baking dish. That's gonna be cleaned easily by soaking with some water. You can also use your disposable foil pan if you don't like washing. So our oven jerk chicken is no different from the grilled chicken. It's just the same, and let me tell you, it's the bomb, all right? So once we're done plastering it here, guys, we're gonna dash it right back into the oven and let it sit there for about 8 minutes. And after 8 minutes, our oven jerk chicken is done. Yes, and with just a few simple ingredients, our crispy, moist, flavorful jerk chicken, smothered in spicy jerk sauce, is ready to take down. Guys, let me tell you, you can't skip this recipe. All right, let me know what you think about it. Subscribe, give my video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. Do enjoy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.